Hi, today we are going to solve the reverse linked list problem. And so let's say there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as a result, what you want is making the linked list is reversed like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So to solve this problem, we can use two pointers. And so let's say this is a current pointer and there is a previous pointer. So we are gonna change the direction of each node and then move the each pointer one step further. So before we move the pointers, we need to change the direction reversely. So that first of all, we need to keep the what is the next node. And so let's say the temp is current next. So in this case, we are gonna keep number 2 as a temp. Then we are gonna change the direction. So current next is previous node, right? So in this case, this node is known. And so what is the next? And we just need to move forward. And so previous is current, current is temp. So then as a result, we are gonna move each pointers to one step further. So current node will indicate this one, previous node will indicate this one. Then same iteration goes again and again, so that eventually we are gonna make this linked list as a this linked list. So let's start the coding. Let's define two variables. The first one is a previous node, and the type would be list node, and previous node initial value should be nil. And next one is a current list node type, and the initial value is head, which is our input. Then we are going to create a while loop, and if current is not equal to nil, we are going to iterate each node. And first of all, we are going to keep the next node of current node, current next, uh, assign the current next to temp, and then we need to change the directions. And so current next is previous, and let's move each node to the next node, and previous is current and current is temp, and return the previous. Let's see the answer. Okay, it works, and let's submit it. Okay. So what is the time complexity? If we say that n stands for the number of nodes, and then it would be the on, because we are gonna iterate each node to change the directions. Space complexity is O1, which we just have two variables to keep the values, and so that's all. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, like and comment. It will be very helpful for my video creation. Thank you.